This home will check all your boxes. This 3-bedroom 2-full-bath ranch has much to offer and room to grow. The front entry provides you with mudroom area and coat closet. The kitchen has been recently updated with new backsplash, Slate appliances, new luxury vinyl flooring, fresh paint and countertops. The kitchen is open to the bright dining area with bay window. The living room is just off the dining area, making this home perfect for entertaining. The master bedroom is large with ample closet space. The master bath features jetted tub, walk-in shower, large storage closet and was recently renovated. The 2 additional nice-sized bedrooms and a recently renovated full bath complete the main floor. The basement is high and dry, with laundry and walk-up stairs with bilco doors to the outside. The basement could be finished for additional living space. Currently it is excellent storage. The oversized 2-car attached garage also provides plenty of storage with pull-down attic stairs. Step outside to the back deck overlooking the large fully fenced-in yard.